10 ways to rebuild your energy without the hustle. A Stoic approach. In a world that glorifies constant hustle, productivity, and burnout, it's easy to feel drained and disconnected from our deeper purpose. But the Stoic philosophers of ancient Greece and Rome, think Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, offered a different path, one rooted in stillness, inner clarity, and intentional living. Rebuilding your energy doesn't have to involve grinding harder or pushing through exhaustion. Instead, it can mean returning to what's essential. Here are 10 Stoic-inspired ways to rebuild your energy without the hustle. 1. Practice voluntary stillness. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Marcus Aurelius. Stoics valued stillness, not as inactivity, but as a deliberate withdrawal from noise. Take time each day to do nothing. No phone, no tasks, no pressure. Just observe your thoughts. This mindful pause can reset your nervous system and restore your focus. 2. Simplify your commitments. He is most powerful who has power over himself. Seneca. Stoicism teaches self-mastery and the discipline of choosing less. Burnout often comes not from doing too little, but from trying to do too much. Reevaluate your obligations. Which ones are truly necessary? Drop the rest. Simplicity is energizing. 3. Accept what you cannot control. Some things are up to us and some are not. Epictetus. Wasted energy often stems from fighting the uncontrollable. Instead, conserve your energy by focusing only on what's within your power, your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. Let go of the rest. This is core to Stoic peace and power. 4. Walk with nature. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu, admired by later Stoics. Time in nature is more than just a modern wellness tip. The Stoics believed in living in accordance with nature. A quiet walk in the woods or a sit under a tree reconnects you to the natural rhythms of life and helps you recharge at a deeper level. 5th, morning and evening reflection. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Start your day with intention, end it with reflection. Ask yourself, what is truly necessary today? Then in the evening, what did I do well? Where can I improve? These simple rituals bring clarity and conserve mental energy, otherwise lost in chaos. 6. Detox from external validation. It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own. Marcus Aurelius. Seeking constant approval is exhausting. The Stoics remind us to value our inner scorecard. When your sense of worth comes from alignment with your principles, not praise, you spend less energy performing and more on purposeful living. 7. Say no without guilt. If a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. Seneca. A Stoic is guided by a clear internal compass. If something doesn't align with your values or priorities, decline it, without over-explaining. Each no is a yes to your own restoration. 8. Reframe obstacles as training. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. Rather than draining you, challenges can energize you if you frame them as opportunities for growth. This mindset doesn't mean ignoring difficulty. It means facing it with the dignity and focus of a warrior in training. 9. Be present with what is. Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do happen, and you will go on well. Epictetus. Anxiety about the future and regrets about the past drain the soul. Stoics teach us to return to this moment. Energy flows where presence goes. Whatever you're doing, do it fully. 10. Embrace enough. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus' chronic exhaustion often comes from chasing more. More status, more success, more control. But enough is a powerful place. When you realize you already have enough right now, you liberate vast reserves of emotional energy. Final thought. Stoicism isn't about cold detachment. It's about clarity, virtue, and inner strength. In a culture obsessed with more, faster, better, the Stoic path is radical in its calmness. It says, your energy is sacred. Spend it on what matters. So take a deep breath. Let go of what you can't control. Say no more often. Be still. In doing so, you don't lose momentum, you gain mastery.